Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, like dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain, which ensures transparency and decentralization. Now, let's take a quick trip through history to see how we evolved from the barter system to cryptocurrency. In ancient times, people used the barter system, where goods and services were exchanged directly. For example, trading a cow for sacks of grain. But this system had problems. Both parties had to have something the other wanted. Some items couldn't be divided easily, like a cow. There was no standard way to value different goods and services. Goods were difficult to store and transport. To solve these issues, money was introduced. At first, it was commodity money like gold and silver, which had intrinsic value. Then came fiat money, which is government-issued currency like paper money. However, traditional money also has its drawbacks. Central banks and governments control the supply and value of money. Over time, the value of money can decrease due to overproduction. Physical money can be stolen, and digital transactions can be hacked. Then came cryptocurrency. In 2009, Bitcoin was introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto as a response to the 2008 financial crisis. Bitcoin provided an alternative to traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrency has several advantages. No single entity controls the network. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain and can be viewed by anyone. Cryptographic techniques make it very secure. Anyone with an internet connection can participate in the cryptocurrency network. Transactions can have lower fees compared to traditional banking. Let's dive a bit deeper into blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrency. Each block contains a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block. Blocks are linked together in a sequence, forming a chain. This ensures that all transactions are recorded in a specific order and cannot be altered. Computers on the network that maintain and validate the blockchain are called nodes. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain. Now, consensus mechanisms is a methods by which the network agrees on the validity of transactions. The most common is proof of work, used by Bitcoin, where miners solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions. Cryptocurrency addresses many issues of traditional money. Is digital and universally accepted. Can be divided into very small units, like 1 Bitcoin into 100 million satoshis. Cryptocurrencies have a market value determined by supply and demand. Its digital nature makes it easy to store and transfer globally. No single entity can control or manipulate the currency. In summary, cryptocurrency and blockchain technology offer a new way of handling transactions and storing value. By providing security, transparency, and decentralization, they represent a significant evolution in how we think about and use money. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.